Do you know what the largest loader in the world is? I believe the L2350 wheel loader definitely deserves a place in this lineup. This machine was formerly known as the Letourneau L2350. It is currently the world's largest loader designed specifically for open-pit mining operations. With every cycle, the bucket of this giant loader can easily scoop up a payload of 80 tons, effortlessly performing tasks unimaginable for ordinary machinery. This is one of the reasons it is certified as the world's largest loader. After all, in open-pit mining, efficiency and speed are paramount. So to provide ample power to propel this behemoth, it is equipped with a 16-cylinder Caterpillar diesel engine capable of producing 333 horsepower, enabling it to easily tackle the most grueling open-pit mining tasks. We are all familiar with excavators, monsters capable of moving a small hill with ease. Even the smallest models are impressive enough. This, however, is one of the largest hydraulic excavators in the world, weighing in at a staggering 767 tons, and standing nearly 10 meters tall. It is equivalent to a 3-story building standing on the ground. Its bucket can swallow 100 tons of ore in a single scoop, with tracks as wide as an entire traffic lane. Any ordinary truck parked next to it is dwarfed, looking like a mere toy. While theoretically this behemoth could be disassembled for transport, disassembly and reassembly are often more hassle than the transport itself, consuming both time and labor, especially when the new site isn't too far away. Moving it intact becomes the more efficient and reliable choice. This leads to a spectacular scene on the highway. A steel monster weighing hundreds of tons is hoisted onto a modular trailer, setting off slowly like a moving mountain. But the real test isn't the weight, it's the road. To ensure safety, bridges along the route must be reinforced in advance, with the entire convoy clearing the path for this mechanical beast. Every move is calculated until it slowly pulls into its destination. When we discuss giant machinery, America's Caterpillar 797-9 is the undisputed king, spanning over 15 meters in length and nearly 10 meters in width. It stands 76 meters tall, higher than many residential buildings. Even unloaded, it weighs a massive 623 tons, and fully loaded it hits a staggering 365 tons, equivalent to the combined weight of 300 family cars. But these figures are just the beginning of the spectacle. At the heart of the 797F lies a 20-cylinder diesel engine with a massive 106-liter displacement, delivering 40 horsepower, enabling stable operation even in the harshest mining environments. Even fully loaded, it accelerates quickly and moves with authority. The most spectacular moment for a rocket is undoubtedly ignition and liftoff, but few realize that before it actually pierces the atmosphere, it must undergo an equally breathtaking ground expedition. You might wonder, before it becomes a complete rocket, isn't it just a collection of loose parts? How difficult can transportation be? Actually transporting the parts is merely the prelude. The real test comes after the rocket is fully assembled at the plant. At this stage, it is no longer a set of scattered components, but a steel tower standing tens of meters high and weighing thousands of tons. But transporting the entire rocket to the launch pad kilometers away is no less difficult than the launch itself. Taking center stage for this task is NASA's Crawler transporter. It is about 40 meters long and 35 meters wide, weighing over 700 tons, heavier than the rocket itself. But its mission isn't just to transport a rocket segment. It carries the entire rocket along with the launch tower, transporting it from the assembly building to the launch pad. This marks the rocket's final step onto the stage, where the Crawler transporter moves at a snail's pace. Its top speed is only 16 km/h, slower than a walking person. But slowness alone doesn't guarantee safety. Therefore, during the transport, hundreds of sensors monitor its attitude in real time. Even with a ground variance of a few centimeters, the Crawler system adjusts immediately to ensure the rocket remains perfectly level. Even trickier, wind speed is closely monitored. Once it exceeds the safety threshold, the entire convoy must stop and wait. Thus, for a journey of just 5 kilometers, it often takes 5 or 6 hours to inch towards the launch pad. The launch tower stands silently in the distance. This short trek is an ultimate test of human engineering and patience. When the rocket is finally delivered to the launch pad, it is slowly secured by the hydraulic systems. One realizes this seemingly slow ground expedition is just as thrilling as breaking through the atmosphere. Without this successful transport, there could be no magnificent liftoff. This mining dump truck from the Belarusian company Belaze, with its amazing payload capacity and massive size, has firmly held the throne of the world's largest mining dump truck. Its birthplace, Belarus is famous for manufacturing super-tonnage mining trucks, and the Belaz 75710 stands as the pinnacle of this legacy. Breaking numerous records, it is truly a behemoth of the trucking world. The specifications of the 75710 push the limits of what a truck can be, with a total length of 26 meters and a width exceeding 987 meters. Its tires are 43 meters in diameter, and the vehicle itself weighs 360 tons. With such a colossal size, it commands attention the moment it appears on the mining site. Most impressive of all is its payload capacity. A single truck can carry up to 150 tons, equivalent to the combined load of 5 ordinary heavy-duty trucks. This immense carrying capacity enables it to take on the most arduous transportation tasks in large-scale mining operations. As for power, it is equipped with two 16-cylinder diesel engines, delivering a combined output of 500 horsepower. This massive power ensures stable operation in the harshest mining environments. But that's not all. The advanced technology of the Belaz 75710 is also reflected in its hydraulic system and cockpit design. It utilizes advanced hydraulic technology to ensure efficient transmission of its immense power, while the spacious and comfortable cockpit design allows the driver to operate this giant machine in a safer and more ergonomic working environment. Since entering service in 2013, the Belaz 75710 has become an indispensable titan in global mining operations. Its powerful transport capacity and outstanding performance make it a top choice for large mining enterprises.